Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your LuxPro PSP511LCa thermostat is blank, if it is not heating or cooling properly or acting unresponsive, this particular video is going to show you the best troubleshooting steps, and I will also show you the reset methods in order to fix it in 2026. So first of all, you need to start by removing the thermostat from the wall plate, and then you need to simply check the AA batteries inside. Sometimes the weak or incorrectly installed batteries can cause the screen to go blank and stop responding. So after replacing the batteries, you just have to simply reattach the thermostat, and then you need to check whether the display powers back on or not. Now, if after doing this, the issue still persists in your case, what you need to do next is to simply perform a soft reset. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to take a look at the small reset button, which will be located above the next button over here, and you need to simply use a paper clip or pin in order to basically insert it over here inside this particular reset pin. After that, you just have to simply press and hold it for at least 10 to 15 seconds, and this is going to restore the programming settings back to default values without affecting the hardware configuration. Now, for more serious issues like incorrect heating behavior or system mode problems, you can also remove the thermostat from the wall and locate the white hardware reset button on the circuit board. So you need to simply press and hold the hold button while pressing the hardware reset button once, and this way it is going to basically factory reset. So after resetting, you can confirm that the thermostat is set to the correct system type. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.